Exercise 11.2, question number 3 is length of the fence of a trapezium shaped field ABCD is 120 meter. If BC is given 48 meter, here you have given the length of the fence of trapezium. The figure is given here ABCD and its fence of trapezium, that means you have given perimeter. Perimeter is given here 120 meter. Fencing means perimeter is given 120 meter. If BC is equal to 48 meter, CD is equal to 17 meter and AD is equal to 40 meter, find the area of this field, and side AB is perpendicular to the parallel sides AD and BC. AD and BC are parallel and AB is perpendicular here. Here one side and the perpendicular is same here. ठीक है, this is the perpendicular also and side also. जब side ही perpendicular हो रही है, so that will be the height also. ठीक है, side is AB here, AB is also perpendicular, so we'll take AB as height of the trapezium here. Height of the trapezium will also AB and side will also AB. So to find out area, we have given here two parallel sides. We are to find out height here and we have given perimeter. Perimeter given है, height find out करनी है, sum of parallel sides given है, फिर area find out करेंगे. To find out area, we need to find out height, and to find out height, we'll use here perimeter. Right? Again, I'm repeating the question. Here you have given fence of trapezium, length of fence of trapezium shaped field ABCD is 120 meters. So perimeter of trapezium is given 120 meter. And if BC is equal to 48 centimeter, CD is equal to 17 meter, AD is equal to 40 meter, find the area of this field. Side AB is perpendicular to the sides AD and BC. You can see trapezium. If we see trapezium is of this in this shape, and this is the height. But if we take it like this, then it means this is the height here and this is still also a trapezium, because according to the definition, if these two lines are parallel, then this is trapezium. And what does height mean? Height means perpendicular, which makes 90-degree angle. So this will be the height also and this will be the side also. Okay, so here height is AB, BC is 48 meter, CD is 17 meter, AD is given 40 meter. Here you have given perimeter 120 meter. You have to find out area. Firstly, we will find out height here. So in this figure, firstly we need to find out AB, this height, okay, and the perimeter is given here 120 meter. What will be the perimeter here? AB plus BC plus CD plus TA. Sum of all sides is equal to 120. Right? AB you have to find out. You can say X or you can say H also. ठीक है, H आपको find out करना है here. Plus, how much the BC is given here? BC is equal to 48. CD is equal to 17. DA is equal to 40 is equal to 120. Then H plus add it 105 is equal to 120. Then H is equal to 120 minus 105 is equal to 15. So height is equal to 15 meter. That means AB is equal to 15 meter. Now we can find out area of trapezium. Let's find out area now. Area of trapezium is equal to half into sum of parallel sides into height. Half into One parallel side is given 48, other parallel side is given 40. Height is given here, we have found here 15. Half into, solve the bracket first, 88 into 15, you can cancel it, multiply 44 into 15, what it will be, 660 meter square. This is answer here. Height is 15 here, 15 meter, area is 660 meters square, right? Next question is question number 4. The diagonals of a quadrilateral shaped field is 24 meter and perpendicular dropped on it from the remaining opposite vertices are 8 meter and 13 meter. Here you have given diagonal of quadrilateral. It's a general quadrilateral. It's not a parallelogram or trapeze or square, rectangle. It's general quadrilateral. No properties given here. You have given here diagonal and two heights, two perpendiculars dropped on the diagonals are given here. Say this is D1 and sorry H1 and H2. Right? Diagonal is given here. Height 1 and height 2 is also given here. Okay. So here you will use the formula of general, area of general quadrilateral. Here you have given diagonal, height 1 and height 2. What will be the area here? See, area of quadrilateral will be half into height 1 plus height 2 into diagonal, right? Half into height 1 is given here 13, height 2 is given here 24, sorry 8, and diagonal is given here 24. Half into, add it, 21 into 24, cancel it, multiply 21 into 12, what it will be? 252 meter square. This is the area of the quadrilateral where you have given height, two heights of the diagonals and one of the diagonal. So we will use the formula here. Next question, question number 6. The diagonals of a rhombus are 7.5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Find its area. In fifth question, we have given diagonals of rhombus and you have to find out area. So two diagonals are given here, say diagonal 1 and diagonal 2. So it's so simple. Use the formula here of the rhombus and find out the area. So area of rhombus in next question will be question number 5. Area of rhombus is half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Okay, is equal to half into one diagonal is given 7.5, other diagonal is given 12. Cancel it. 6 multiply 7.5 into 6 is equal to 45 centimeter square. This is the area of rhombus. Use the formula when the diagonals are given, then the formula is half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Okay. Next, question number 6. Find the area of a rhombus whose side is 5 centimeter. Area of rhombus you have to find out whose side is given here 5 centimeter. Altitude is given 4.8 centimeter and one of its diagonal is given 8 centimeter long. Find the length of other diagonal. Okay. find the area of rhombus. You have to find out area of rhombus where side is given 5 centimeter, altitude is given 4.8. So you can find out area because rhombus is also a parallelogram. So you can find out area by using base into height. Side is 5, so base is 5. Height will be 4.8. Altitude means height, perpendicular distance. So you can find out area from here, right? Then in next they are saying if one of the diagonal is given 8 centimeter long, diagonal is here given 8 centimeter long, find the other diagonal. अब other diagonal find out करने के लिए we need area. Firstly we will find out area of rhombus in this question. Let's find out area of rhombus first of all using base and height. Here you have given a rhombus whose side is 5 centimeter. Altitude is given here. Sorry, side is 6 centimeter. Altitude is given here 4 centimeter. And side is 6. Then first of all, we will find out area of rhombus. Area of rhombus will be base into height. As it's also a parallelogram, so its formula will be base into height. Base is 6, height is 4, so it's 24 centimeter square. 24 centimeter square. Okay. Here there is a, let's check the, sorry, here it's given 5 and 4.8. So let's change it. Here it's given 5 and 4.8. 5 into 4.8. It will be 24 centimeter square. Now area of rhombus here we have found using base and height. Base is given here 5 and height is given here 4.8 centimeter. Then area will be 5 into 4.8 is equal to 24. Okay. Then next is one of the diagonal is given here. Say D1. D1 is given here 8 centimeter, right? Let's check here. It's given 8 centimeter long diagonal. Diagonal D1 is given 8 centimeter. You have to find out other diagonal, that is D2. D2 आपको find out करना है. You can take it as X also. Then area of rhombus we will use here as 24. Let's use the formula now, half into D1 into D2 to find out diagonal. As I explained you that there are two formulas to find out area of rhombus. If base and height is given, that's then base into height. If diagonals are given, then the half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. So area you will get same. चाहे आप कोई भी formula use करें, area of the rhombus will remain same. So we can apply here now half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2 is equal to 24. Then half into diagonal 1 is 8. Diagonal 2 we have to find out, say x is equal to 24. Take it other side. 8 will be divided here and 2 will be multiplied. Solve it. Other diagonal is 6 centimeter. 8 will be multiplied other side and divided other side. 2 will be multiplied other side on the right hand side. So 24 into 2 divided by 8 is equal to 6 centimeter. So other diagonal is 6 centimeter and we'll use the formula of area here. Area first of all we have found using base and height. फिर हमने diagonals का formula use करके area के equal रखा और वहां से हमने other diagonal को find out कर लिया. Now complete up to question exercise 11.2 from question 1 to 6.